Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is a stoichiometry conversion lesson 1. So stoichiometry is broken into basic stoichiometry where we do moles to grams, grams to moles, moles to atoms, and so forth. And there's reaction stoichiometry where we take reactants and products and we look at limited reactants, excessive reactants, and try to figure out how much stuff we can make of each or what's left over. Okay, so anyway, let's get started with this. Okay, so we have, what do we know? We know that 1 mole of CaSO4 has a molar mass of 136.2 grams. And that was calculated by doing, we have 1 atom of Ca, 1 atom of S, 4 atoms of oxygen. It adds up to 136.2 grams. So we want to know if we had 0.5 moles of CaSO4, what is the mass in grams? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we go, okay, fine. We have 136 grams, and we want to know what 0.5 moles are of that. So we go 0.5 moles of CaSO4 times 136.2 grams of CaSO4 divided by 1 mole of CaSO4. Well, those cancel out. That's great. This gives me something along the line of 68.1 grams of CaSO4. Now, this is called the factor label method. Some people like to use this really small table method, and they go 0.5 moles of CaSO4, 1 mole of CaSO4, 136.2 grams of CaSO4. They go like this, and they get 68.1 grams of CaSO4. You could do it that way too. However, visually speaking, this is much better because when you're reading from right to left, you're giving your brain a chance to assimilate all that information. But with this smaller table here, it's a lot harder to do that. So I wouldn't advise using that table there. But if you're stubborn and really want to, have fun with it. All right, so now let's look at another one. We have this question. How many moles of CaSO4 are there in 88, I don't know if I need to read something here, 0.55 grams of CaSO4. Like I said, that table gets in the way already. So now we want to know moles, and we have grams. So we're going to go, okay, 1 molar mass of CaSO4, which was predetermined in this case, is 136.2 grams. Okay, great. So now we're going to go 88.55 grams of CaSO4 times 1 mole of CaSO4 divided by 136.2 grams of CaSO4. In this case, that number is going to go on the bottom. So this cancels, and this gives us approximately 0.6501 moles of CaSO4. And it's just that easy. You guys have fun and be awesome, and we'll look forward to seeing you again on Moose and Chemistry.